Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys this look that I am rocking right now. I created a eyeshadow look and I also did my foundation and everything, and I share all that with you guys in the video as well. But I did use the ZULU palette by JUVIAS Place. I've been dying to do a tutorial with this palette because it's just so freaking pretty, and I felt like today was a perfect opportunity because I am doing a review on this bold hair. And if you guys are interested in my hair, I will have a link down in the description box below. But anyways, without further ado, if you guys want to know how I got this eyeshadow look and this makeup look, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Okay, divas, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed this makeup look. I know it's very bold. I wanted to do something that was bold because my hair is bold, so I was like, might as well make everything else bold. And I know this hair is like messing with the lighting because it's not even like showing up the true color of my eyeshadow. But yeah, this hair is just so freaking bright. But anyways, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I'll have more makeup tutorials coming for you guys. I know I've been like a little bit like sporadic with the makeup tutorials, but I am gonna try to get out more. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous girls did enjoy this video, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to know what you fabulous girls are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, I'll talk to you lovely divas in my next video. Bye.